Welcome. This is an unboxing and first impressions of the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Now, we've already seen plenty of first looks at this device, but I didn't see too many videos out there on the blue color, so I decided to pick up the blue Note 10 Plus to give you guys a look at this color in specific, and let's jump right in. We have the 256 gigabyte model with 12 gigs of RAM. We just have one sticker on the upper left corner here, and with that, we have our device here. We'll put that to the side. Check out what else we have in the box here. So first thing we have here are some AKG wired earbuds. These are Type-C. Also looks like the cable is made of some pretty nice material. We have our OTG adapter, which is Type-C to USB-A. We also got some, looks like replacement tips for the S Pen. That is a very nice addition. And more importantly, we now have a faster charger for the Note 10. This is a 25 watt charger, and the Note 10 is capable of 45 watt charging, but you do have to purchase that separately. I think it's $50, and it will be coming out in around a month or so. We have our SIM ejection tool here if we need it, and just some general paperwork. We will dismiss those, and that's it for everything in the box. And now, more importantly, we have the Note 10 Plus. You might be able to see that it does have a very thin screen protector on that. We will probably remove that. And now let's check out the blue. Wow, that is really nice. That is a really nice color. We'll go ahead and take off the film. Hopefully my camera is doing an okay job of picking up the colors, but this is a really nice blue. It's different shades of blue depending on what light you're looking at it. So we have a 16 megapixel ultra wide camera. We have a 12 megapixel variable aperture camera. We have a 12 megapixel telephoto camera, and here we have a depth vision lens. Most phones you normally see have a power button on the right hand side, but this year they have removed that button, and now the power button is on the left side in the middle of the phone. On the top here, we have our SD card slot and our SIM card holder. So this will hold our SIM and our SD card for additional storage, up to 1 terabyte of storage as far as I know. There is no headphone jack this year, USB Type-C port, speaker grill, and the S Pen. So there's this blue color this year. Last year they had a blue Note and a yellow S Pen, but this year they've ditched the yellow S Pen, now it's blue. And also on the glow color of the Galaxy Note 10 Plus, you will get the same blue colored S Pen. A quick look at the S Pens here from the Note 9 and Note 10. They are the same length. There is no Samsung branding on the new S Pen, just the old S Pen has that Samsung at the top, and this does not have that. Just looks like some sort of SKU number or some sort of code on there. Indent here at the bottom portion, and the button feels exactly the same, no difference in the physical button. But one thing I did notice is that the tip actually looks slightly larger on the Note 10's S Pen opposed to the Note 9. So whether that gives it more durability or it's a better writing experience, I'm not exactly sure, but we'll have to test that out. All right, so let's go ahead and check out the Note 10 Plus. I have the 256 gigabyte, 12 gigabytes of RAM model, 6.8 inch AMOLED display, processor is the Snapdragon 855, ultrasonic in-display fingerprint reader, IP68 water resistance, 4300 milliamp hour battery, and as I stated before, features super fast charging. So here's our first look at this display. There is the slimmest of a bezel on the top and bottom. So here is your difference in screen size. Looking at it now in person, you can see that there is a noticeable difference in that screen size. Galaxy Note 9 is 6.4 inch display, and this is a 6.8 inch display. Now in terms of sizes of the devices, so you're essentially getting the same size phone, but with a almost half an inch larger of a screen. And now let's get started. So the fingerprint sensor is a little bit higher opposed to the Galaxy S10 phones. And just for point of reference, here's the OnePlus 7 Pro. And you can see that the fingerprint sensor is a little bit lower, but perhaps with a taller device like this one, this is in a convenient location for your thumb. And we'll go ahead and show the fingerprint sensor a few times just to get a gauge of how quickly it does get you into your phone. We'll do a few tests here. So that is instant. You just literally tap your finger on the screen and you're good to go, and you are into your device very quickly. So here we are. This is the Galaxy Note 10 Plus in its full glory. We can see the hole punch camera on the top. So first thing I want to see is checking out some video. So it'll be interesting to see how these apps work around that hole punch. So you can see it is just kind of sticking out there. as you're scrolling through your different videos and such. Alright, so for watching content, this is a truly full screen experience. This looks amazing. Very nice to be able to use the entire front of your phone to watch media and content. Next thing I want to test out here are the speakers. Alright, so pumps up the max. So this is the Note 10 Plus. And now the Note 9. And back to the Note 10 Plus. There's definitely much more fuller and louder sound and audio coming out of the Note 10 Plus opposed to the Note 9. And while we're here doing a test, we will quickly try out the AKG earbuds that come with the phone. We do have volume controls and play pause, which is very nice. Alright, so a quick first impression of the included earbuds in the box is that they fit very comfortably in your ear. They're very comfortable. And the sound quality is good. They have a very good amount of bass. I would say they're definitely on par, if not a little bit better, than the Galaxy Buds. So definitely big props on the earbuds. So there are the new swipe gestures of the S Pen, but for now I just want to try out a note and see if it can convert it into text then. So we will write, please subscribe today. Alright, so we'll go ahead and save this note. Alright, so down here at the bottom we have a convert to text. So we'll go ahead and hit that. And you can see here that it says please subscribe today, same as it's written up here. And I do not have the nicest handwriting by any means. It's definitely on par with Chicken Scratch. So we can go ahead and convert that. And now it has converted to the please subscribe today in text. Let's just try like really sloppy handwriting, like hello there. Alright, that's really bad handwriting. Let's see if it can handle something like that. So we'll go ahead and hit the note here. So even though this writing is terrible, it was still able to successfully translate it to hello there. So I can convert it and put it right into the note, but I can also go ahead and copy that. And then when it's copied, I could then paste it into a document somewhere else. I could shoot it into a text to somebody. Very cool that you can convert your writing easily into text. So another quick notable feature is that you can double press on the S Pen to bring out your eraser. It has the eraser icon. So there you go. So that's gone, and then you can double press and go back to your writing. And this blue color is amazing. It looks really good. I'm probably not doing justice with it here in my current setup. I'll probably take it outside to give you guys another look. I'll show you that now. But all in all, first impressions of the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. I'm really enjoying this device so far. I am looking forward to bringing you guys more footage and more content on the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. So if you enjoyed this video, then be sure to give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below on what you think of the Note 10 Plus, and I hope to see you around for the next video. Thanks for watching. Take care.